Warren Buffett says, "You don't need to be a genius to get rich. You just need the right habits." In this video, I will reveal Buffett's 7 simple rules that anyone can use to build wealth in 2025. These rules are timeless, practical, and proven. Let's begin with rule number 1. Rule 1. Never depend on a single income. Buffett warns that depending on one income is dangerous. A job can disappear, but skills and investments stay with you forever. If you're serious about wealth, build at least 2 income streams. Start with something simple, like dividend stocks or digital freelancing. Small streams grow into rivers over time. Rule 2. Invest in yourself first. Buffett says the best investment you will ever make is in yourself. Your knowledge, your skills, and your mindset create your financial destiny. Read, learn, and upgrade your abilities every single day. The more valuable you become, the more money you attract. Rule 3. Don't try to get rich fast. Buffett built his fortune slowly and steadily. He never chased overnight success, and neither should you. Wealth is not a lottery, it is a long-term game. Focus on consistent progress, not quick wins. Rule 4. Buy businesses, not stocks. Buffett doesn't buy stocks, he buys businesses. He studies how they earn money and why they will survive the next 20 years. Ask yourself, would I buy this entire company if I had the money? If the answer is no, then don't buy a single share. Rule 5. Avoid debt as much as possible. Bad debt steals your future. Credit cards, impulsive loans, unnecessary purchases, these can trap you for decades. Buffett says, if you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you do need. Use debt carefully and only when it builds assets. Rule 6. Let your money work for you. The rich don't work for money, money works for them. This is where compounding comes in. Reinvest your profits, your dividends, and your interest. Every rupee or dollar you save today becomes a worker for your future. The earlier you start, the faster wealth grows. Rule 7. Be patient when others panic. Buffett becomes greedy when others are fearful. Most people panic during market drops, but Buffett sees opportunity. When quality assets become cheap, he buys more. Patience is his secret weapon. Final lesson. Wealth is not magic, it's a habit. And if you follow these 7 rules, your financial life will transform. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. Your future self will thank you. This is Warren Buffett-style wisdom for your financial freedom.